Yo, you guys can't even see me. Jesus. Oh. Hi, guys. Oh, guys, I'm actually so cooked. So it's currently like 6:40 right now in the morning. I woke up at like 5:30. Obviously, I was still defrosting. But yeah, guys, welcome back to my vlog. I'm sorry for ghosting y'all for real. Like, um, last time I posted was in February. It's now May. I did film in March. However, I didn't have space and I deleted the editing platform I was editing my video on. Turns out, my video was gone. I don't know what I expected. I don't know what I expected. So today's day is kind of busy. I don't wanna lie. So the reason why I actually say I'm cooked is because I'm writing at 8 a.m. It is 20 to 7. I haven't studied at all for this test. And I'm writing Sutu, bro. Okay, it's elementary Sutu, so it's like beginner Sutu. And that's okay, but I at least wanna get like a 70%, bro. Like, please. This is a language from my own country. I can't be flopping. I can't. So I need to get moving and I need to eat, I need to shower, I need to do my hair. As you can see, I took out my hair. I need to, yeah. But anyways, so we have Sutu in the morning for like an hour and a half, in which we'll be writing the test, and then I have psychology after that. From Sutu ends at 9:45. Psychology starts at 10:15 a.m. And yeah, after that, like, my day is like completely free. And yeah, after that we can talk, guys. We can talk, because I feel like I need to give you guys an update. Y'all just saw me into uni for orientation, and y'all saw me vlog for my first week of uni, and then after that I went blank on y'all. But it's okay. That's why I'm choosing to film this like real quick. And yeah, let's get ready, guys. Let's get ready. That actually fell off when I was sleeping, and I actually jumped out of my seat. So I'm hungry as fuck, obviously. I lost 8 at 6 p.m. yesterday, so hold on. I'm writing at 8 and it is now 7 a.m. So I'm gonna study while I'm eating, because trust me, guys, I'm fine. The reason why I'm studying so last minute isn't because I genuinely am not concerned about my career or my future. I know what the fuck's cutting. It's a matter of revision. And also the last part, I was kinda missing lectures because I overslept. Guys, if you're humanities students, so that's if you're studying BA, law, anything in the arts, in theater and film, humanities, If you are a Nguni speaker, they will make you take Sotho. If you are a Tswana Sotho language group speaker, they'll make you take Zulu. If you don't want to take any of those, they'll make you take sign language. So this is my fit for the day. But I'm just wearing, what is it? Manchester City shirt, these pants, and my New Balances shoes. Okay, now y'all can see a bit better. But yeah, this is the fit. I've decided to just wear something simple. Like, I just pulled shit out of my closet. But it is winter right now. It is very cold, so I need a jacket. I got these new smart glasses that have a camera and a recording feature, and you can listen to music as well. So like literally place it into your ear. And I just thought I would test it out for today's video on my way to the venue which I'm writing in, which is my normal lecture place, I believe. And y'all will see how the quality is like. And if you guys like the quality, please tell me down below, like, if you guys would like me, if it's okay if I vlog with these, or if you guys prefer it with the phone camera quality. So yeah, guys, let's go. We'll study on the way. Yo guys, that test wasn't that bad. Craving igwinya, so I'm gonna go buy igwinya now. Now that you guys have seen the quality of the cameras, y'all let me know in the comments if I should use them more often or not. I think it's a revision lecture because we're writing psychology on Friday, so I'm not exactly sure. Anyways guys, so we're done with our psychology lecture now, and Casey wants to go get chip and dip, and then I'm going back to Riz. So I just got back to Riz. Do not mind the noises. They're fixing the pipes because the heaters at Riz aren't working like mine. I'm done for the day. It is currently... what's the time? It's currently 12:15. So yeah, I'm done for the day. Mina, I'm hungry as well, and I'm sleepy. Just gonna put on my bonnet and take a nap. I'm just gonna edit for you guys right now because I do not want to waste time. I don't want to lie. You guys made it this far into the video. Thank you so much for watching this whole entire video. I do have a TikTok and an Instagram. I feel like most of you guys found me through TikTok though. So go ahead and follow my socials. Yeah. Please do subscribe. I'm trying to get to 1K. I'm trying to post once every month, if not once, twice a month. So yeah, see y'all in the next video.